In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Trello to PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF of your Trello board without installing anything complicated. First, open Trello in your browser and head to your boards page. This is where all your boards live, and it's the easiest starting point for exporting. Pick the board you want to capture. Once it's open, look to the top right corner for the three dots menu. That menu controls board level actions, and it's where Trello hides its export tools. Open that menu and choose Print, Export, and Share. This section gathers everything you need to move data out of Trello. You'll see options to export the board in different formats. Trello doesn't export directly to PDF, so we'll grab the data first and then convert it. If you prefer a spreadsheet style output, select Export as CSV. A CSV file downloads to your computer and typically includes card titles, descriptions, labels, members, dates, and more. It's a great option if you want a tabular view or plan to adjust column widths before turning it into a PDF. Keep in mind that CSV export availability can depend on your workspace plan. If you see the option, click it and let it download. If you want the full structure of the board, including lists, cards, checklists, and metadata, choose Export as JSON. This format is more technical, but it preserves the most detail and is ideal if you need a faithful snapshot of the board's data. Download it the same way. Now, open a reliable converter to turn your export into a PDF. Many online converters accept CSV files directly and will let you adjust page size, orientation, margins, and scaling. For wide boards with many columns, landscape orientation usually prevents cramped text and awkward page breaks. Reducing the font size slightly and enabling grid lines can also improve readability. If you exported JSON, look for a converter or viewer that supports pretty printing or formatting JSON before creating the PDF. A formatted view will be much easier to read than raw code. Once your file is loaded in the converter, preview the pages, tweak the layout, and export to PDF. Save the file somewhere you can find it quickly, and you're ready to share it with your team, archive it for reports, or attach it to documentation. That's the full process. Open your board, go to Print, Export, and Share, export as CSV or JSON, and use a converter to finish as a clean PDF. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.